Hello students, let us start the chapter from geography, that is human environment interaction, in which we discuss the tropical and subtropical region of the earth. Introduction, like this is our earth and this is equator of 0 degree. So the area from 10 degree north to 10 degrees south, that area to be known as this area as a tropical area. Obviously this area is near to tropic, so the temperature is high. And if we come to the subtropical areas, then the areas which are 30 degree, these areas near to 30 degrees, they all are to be known as the subtropical regions, means 20 to 40 degree north and south. I think the tropical and subtropical areas is clear. This tropical area is also known as the equatorial region. This is 0 degree line, and these areas are the tropical areas. Today we take the tropical area of this Amazon basin region. Now the word comes basin in front of us. What is a basin? Two words are there. First is the basin and the drainage. Now, like this is the main river, and there are other rivers, tributary rivers of this river. These are sub tributary rivers of this river. Now the whole catchment, this network of rivers and their tributary rivers, the whole network is known as drainage. So that this network of river is known as drainage, and the whole catchment area, means the land area of this river, it is known as basin. So the basin is the catchment area of a particular river and its tributary river. So this whole region is a catchment area of river Amazon. This region comes in a tropical region, as you can see here in this map also. Now the area which we discussed, that is only this area in which we discuss especially the river Amazon river, tributary rivers, subtributary rivers. These are subtributary rivers of the river Amazon. Amazon basin. Basin is clear, and Amazon is the river. Amazon is, though not the largest river of the world, it is the Nile river which is the largest river of the world. But if we come, longest river, sorry, that is Nile. Though the Amazon is not the longest river, but it is the largest river. If we include the water contained by any river, then the number one river of the world is Amazon river. The first point which we discuss, climate of this region, obviously hot and humid climate is there. Day and nights are equal here, basically because it is on the, not near to, on the 0 degree equator, because the area is humid and hot, so the skin of a person feels very sticky. Let us come to the next point, and that is rainforest. Obviously because it is the equatorial area, so dense forest, evergreen forest are found here, also known as the rainforest. Every day rain is there. We found heavy rain. The forests are very thick. Too many forests are there because they all are fighting to get the sunlight, so their height is long, and this is how we see forest. They are like umbrella. We see them aerial view from the helicopter, then the whole area is totally green, while under this area is totally dark area because sunlight is stopped by these the leaves of these dense forests. The forests are very thick forest area. Obviously, that area is rich in both fauna and flora, vegetation and wildlife, animals. Then the main animals which found here are like different type, different species of monkeys, sloth, little bit look like monkey and bear, ant eating. These ants are very dangerous. Areas is full of water, so that's why found water species also like crocodiles, world's longest snake, anaconda, pythons, etc. If we come to the vegetation, different types of vegetation is found here. Yes, one more thing is the very famous fish is also found here, and that is piranha, world famous fish. Thick forest, so different types of species are found here. Only those species which are especially found here, like orchids. Let's come to the third part of Amazon basin, and obviously that is people of these regions. Basically, people of these regions are tribals. Hunting and fishing is their main occupation. They also do agriculture known as slash and burn agriculture, or we can say the shifting agriculture. People who were living here provides a lot of wood to the outside world. 1970, the government of Brazil make the Trans Amazon highway, and this made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Now aircraft and helicopters are also used for reaching various places, so people of these regions are now modernized. They are developing. Now they are also getting the modern facilities. This is how we see the one of the hot region of the world, that is the Amazon basin, tropical region. In the next part we take the subtropical region, and that subtropical region is this, which is the Ganga Brahmaputra basin region. If any kind of comment problem, you can send me your comments. I'll clear your doubts. This is my blog, visit it also. Thank you very much.